Hello and welcome to the world of my books and stories. This is a segment that I call Story Time, and today's story is about a very interesting girl. You know why she was interesting? Because she always had fresh new ideas, and this girl's name is Neelu. Now one day Neelu found a big brown box. You know, the kind of box in which things are delivered to your house. So this was a nice strong big brown box, and Neelu immediately had a wonderful idea about what she could do with it. You know what she planned to do? She was going to make that box into a fort. So Neelu picked up that big box. Just as she was going, her eyes fell on something. She saw her mother's red dupatta. It was hanging over the back of a chair. And looking at it, Neelu immediately had a great idea. You know what? This red dupatta would make for a beautiful carpet in front of her fort. So she picked up that dupatta. So she now had the big brown box and the red dupatta. And just as she was going, Neelu saw something else. She saw that there was a big yellow basket full of fruits on the table. And again, Neelu had an idea. Remember, I told you she was a girl with lots of ideas. That basket, she thought, would make for a wonderful helmet to wear. And the fruit, she could always find some use for it. So she picked up that basket. Now remember what she was carrying. She had that big brown box, she had the basket with fruit in it, and she had her mother's red dupatta. And then Neelu saw something else. She saw two walking sticks. They were leaning against the wall. Who did they belong to? Why, one belonged to her grandmother and the other was her grandfather's. And Neelu immediately knew what she would do with these. They would become her swords and help her fight battles. So she picked those up. Now she had a big brown box in her hands. She had her mother's red dupatta. She had a yellow basket with fruits in it, and she had her grandmother and grandfather's walking sticks. And Neelu was just setting out when her foot landed on the dupatta. She tripped and thadam, down she went. Those two walking sticks, they just fell with one loud clatter onto the ground. And that basket, it fell and all the fruit went rolling here and there. And then Neelu stood up, and you know what she saw? She saw that that big brown box had become a flat brown box because she had fallen on it. What would Neelu do? Do you think she was upset and disappointed? No, because Neelu had a brand new idea. She knew exactly what she would do with that flat brown box. So she picked up that flat brown box, she picked up that basket with the fruit in it, she picked up those two walking sticks and her mother's red dupatta and took them out into the garden. And there she put the flat brown box and put her grandfather's walking stick and tied the red dupatta to it. This is my sail, she said. So now you know what she's going to make. And the other stick is going to be my oar. It's going to help me row my boat. And this basket, why? It's a wonderful cap for a captain to wear. And the fruit in it, I'm going on a long journey and I can always do with some food, Neelu thought. And then she sat down in her boat, and her lovely boat made out of that big brown box was ready to sail to brand new adventures. So this is the story of Neelu's big box, and this story is mine, and it has lovely illustrations by Shreya Sen. As you can see, the story is, it comes in what is called the bilingual format. So you have the story in English and the same story in an Indian language. So you can pick which Indian language you want along with English. I'm going to leave a link in the description box so you can click on it and buy your own copy so you can read all about Neelu's wonderful ideas with the big brown box. Do write and let me know what you thought of the story, and tell me what you do when you find a big brown box. So until the next time, keep reading, keep smiling. Bye-bye and thank you for watching.